Welcome guys. In this lecture I will explain different types of buttons in Excel ribbon. Guys, majorly we have 7 different kind of buttons available in Excel ribbon. Okay, so the first one is one click command buttons, toggle buttons, split buttons, drop down menu buttons, rich menu buttons, drop down gallery buttons, then we have checkbox buttons. So these are the 7 different kind of buttons in Excel ribbon. Now I will show you what are the functionality of each and every button. Okay, so first move to Excel. So this is my Excel workbook, guys. So whole this part we are called it as a Excel ribbon, right? Yesterday we are already discussing this concept, right? So Excel ribbon have different types of buttons and icons. Okay, so in this lecture I will explain 7 different kind of buttons available in Excel ribbon. If you understand this concept, you can easily do anything in Excel. So that's why I am starting from scratch to advanced level. I explain, guys. Okay, so this is basic things. First 10 to 20 sessions all I will cover basic things, then I will explain some more advanced concepts in Excel. Okay, so first button is one click command button. Okay, so what exactly these one click command buttons will do? If you click on these buttons, automatically that respective command gets executed. Let's suppose we have some data like Excel classes. Okay, so this is my data. So first I will select this data, then I will click on one click command button. See, example for one click command button is this font size increase and font size decrease buttons. If you click on these buttons, automatically that respective command get executed and that particular effect is applied on this data. See, if I click on this increase font size button, see, automatically this font also get increased. So these are the one click command buttons. Okay, whenever we are click on these buttons, automatically that respective command get automatically executed. So these are called it as a one click command buttons. Okay, next we have toggle buttons. Toggle buttons have two states, guys, either in on off. If it is on, those buttons are highlighted with some color. Example for these type of toggle buttons is these bold italic buttons. See, if I click on this bold button, automatically this particular button color also changes, right? It indicates this particular button is active. Again, if you click on this particular button color is gone, it indicates this particular command is disabled. Okay, so these are called it as a toggle buttons. Okay, next we have split buttons. Okay, split buttons have down arrow. See, this is called down arrow, right? So if you click on this down arrow, it will give some more commands. Already it will execute direct command. So if you click on this underline, automatically that respective effect is applied in this data. Along with these buttons have one drop down arrow button. If you click on this, it will give more commands option. So these are called it as a split buttons. Okay, next we have drop down buttons. Okay, so example for drop down button is this conditional formatting. So these drop down buttons have a same down arrow, but only difference between split buttons and drop down buttons is split buttons, click on split buttons, automatically the respective command get executed, right? See, if I click on this command, underline is applied. Same thing if I click on conditional formatting menu, it will display some list of commands, then only we can select those commands, then only this particular command get executed, right? But if you go for split command, whenever we are click on this command, automatically that respective effect gets applied. So only difference between split and drop down buttons is split button directly execute respective command. When it comes to drop down menu, it will display some list of commands. Okay, then only we can select that command, then only this drop down menu command gets executed. So that is the only difference between split and drop down menu buttons. Then we have rich menu buttons. So these rich menu buttons are located in view tab. See, if you click on this freeze panes, see, click on this, automatically it will give respective commands along with some information related to this particular commands. So that's why these commands we are call it as a rich menu buttons. Okay, next we have drop down gallery buttons. Okay, so these drop down gallery buttons are example for cell styles. If you click on this cell styles, it will display different types of styles. Whenever we are mouse over on this styles, automatically respective style gets previewed here. So these are called it as a drop down gallery buttons. Okay, next buttons we have check boxes. Okay, see, go to view tab. So these are called it as a check boxes. If you uncheck this, that particular option gets disabled from this workbook. If you again check, that particular option is enabled. So these are the 7 different kind of buttons available in Excel ribbon, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, thank you.